everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to take the doors off of this brand new 2020 Jeep Gladiator Overland. We are super excited to have this Gladiator at our dealership, Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 3 years, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. We will also be doing videos on how to take off the roof and the front windshield, so we will add those links to the description below. Okay, so all you need to take off the doors is your Jeep toolkit that comes with the Jeep. It has your wrench, all your bits and everything that are needed to take off the bolts. So first thing we're gonna do is use the T50 to take off the bolts right here on the sides. Okay. So as you can see, it says T50 right there in case you forget which bit to use. But all you have to do is just unscrew it. It helps to put a finger behind so you don't accidentally scratch the paint. So there are 2 of these on each door, so you'll have 8 total for the whole vehicle. Okay, so that is the longest part of this process, is taking all of the bolts off. I've noticed that it does take a little bit longer to take the top bolt off than the bottom bolt on the doors, but once you have them all, Jeep has included a special spot to put all of them to keep them organized so that you don't lose them. You can see that they have where each one goes. So your 8 ones for your doors are gonna go in these slots, and this just lets you keep them organized. So our next step is going to be unplugging the wiring for the power, but first we need to make sure all of the windows are rolled down. Okay, so the first step is to pop this piece off, that, and then there are 3 steps to getting this unplugged. So first you push the red part up until it clicks. There's a black part you push down right here, and then it releases the white part so you can flip it up. Once it's locked up, you can pull this part down and out. There's a hook right here that you need to take off. You just have to pull the door in a little bit to make it loose. So you can take it off of the hook there, like that. And then you can tuck this part into the door here. The last piece is to unscrew this bolt right here using the T40. Before I unscrew it, I'm going to call in a helper to hold the door for me so that when it is unattached, it doesn't swing back and hit the body of the vehicle. Okay, so now the door will be able to come off. And that's one door down. So first thing that you do before you take off the back doors, you're going to want to move the front seat as far up as it can go so you can have access to the back panel. So we're going to pop that off, and you can see it looks a little bit different. All you have to do is push in this part and then pull it down. Then you're going to unhook it just like the other one and tuck it into the net on the side. And then we'll do the same thing, unscrew this and then take it out. And then you do the same thing on the other side of the Jeep. Okay, so now you have all of the doors off. Make sure that you have all of the panels put back into place and that you have all of your loose bolts tucked away inside of your compartment underneath your seat in the back here. So next we're going to show you how to do the top and the front windshield.